Hey guys, and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to show you a new style from Belle Tress. This is called Madison, and this color is Oyster Gray. Now this wig, of course, was provided by Wig Studio One, and if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. And also I will put a link in the drop down box below this video on how to order this wig. Look at this fun, cute, short style Madison. I like these little flippy ends. It has kind of a little messy look. I like that. Let me show it to you all the way around. Now, just a word of caution. I have found with these really gray wigs, in my experience, you can sometimes see the wefting. So if you have very dark bio hair and you have a light colored wig cap, I would encourage you to wear that with these really gray shades. Now this it fit me perfectly. I did not do really any adjustment. I was a little surprised at that. Belle Tress usually fits me a little large. However, I felt like this was a perfect fit with my 21¼ inch head circumference. Now the specs, the bang of this is 4 to 5. It has this little bang. You could trim this straight across if you wanted to. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap. I just swept mine to the side. It has 6-inch sides. The nape is 2 inches on this, and it weighs 3.4 ounces. I feel like this is feather light. I'm surprised it weighed that much because I just don't feel like this is heavy in any way. It's very comfortable and really a pretty color. Let's talk about it. So Oyster Gray is a non-rooted color. As you see, the color code is 5660. And of course we know 60 is white. So it is like I said, non-rooted. And there is some lighter gray running through here with the white. And I like that because I feel like this keeps this from being very flat. This has dimension to it. I'm going to insert some outdoor video so you can see how it looks in outdoor lighting. But I think this is a beautiful color. If you do not like rooted grays, have a look at Oyster Gray. Now this has a beautiful cap construction, of course, as all of the City Collection does. I just want you to have a look at that. Here is my bio hair. So it has good coverage. You really don't see my bio hair at all, but wow, what a beautiful, beautiful lace front. Now let's talk about the inside of the cap. This has, of course, like I showed you, an extended lace front and a mono part. It's open wefted, so it's very comfortable. It has closed ear tabs with stays and an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Now for styling, I'm just going to use a little wig wax on it. You've seen me use that so many times. I like that. It just creates this little bit of volume, separates these fibers, which I like. Mess it up, that's just my way. You can wear it however you like, but I just kind of want to mess mine up a little. Easy to do, looks cute behind your ear. This is super low density. Let's see, I want to feel at the nape. I don't feel any permatease in the nape of this. And if there is any in the cap of this wig, it is so minimum I can barely feel it at all. So I'm going to tell you this is a very low density style. I like that you can mess it up. Like I said, it has this little bang that you can wear. You could cut in a little more wispy bang if you'd like, or just sweep it over to the side. Easy to do. And with this extended lace front, that is very well done. This would look so cute. Just pulled off your face like that. Thanks so much for joining me today. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com and join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We have all kinds of fun things happening over there. We have live events, we have Sell It Sunday, we have giveaways, lots of fun things. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.